You slept 8 hours, had your coffee, maybe even napped yesterday, and you are still exhausted. Here's what's actually going on. Because it is probably not what you think. Most people blame themselves when they are always tired. Sleep earlier, drink more water, stop the 2 a.m. scrolling. But what if your body is literally running on broken equipment right now and you have no idea? Because three of the most common causes of chronic fatigue have nothing to do with your sleep schedule. At least one of this, that's gonna be you. I'm a nursing student, and everything on Body Tea is educational, not medical advice. Now let's get into it. First, your thyroid. Tiny butterfly shaped gland at the front of your neck, and its whole job is to control how fast or slow everything in your body runs. Your energy, metabolism, and your mood. All of it. When it is underactive, hyperthyroidism. Everything slow down. It's like your body is running on 3% battery. Still on technically, but barely. The fatigue can go from just feeling sluggish all the way to sleeping 10 hours and waking up more exhausted than when you went to bed. And so many people have this without knowing. They just think they're lazy. But one blood test catches it, and that's it. Second, iron deficiency. Think of your red blood cells as delivery trucks carrying oxygen to every part of your body. Iron is what lets those trucks actually carry anything. Low iron, empty trucks, and no oxygen delivery. What that feels like is bone deep tiredness, brain fog, getting winded by just climbing stairs, looking pale for no reason. And this one eats women especially hard. And just like the thyroid, one blood test and iron supplements can have you feeling better within weeks. Third one, and the most dismissed, chronic stress. It is not just a bad day. I mean, the constant low grade weight of everything stress that never fully goes away. Here's what that does physically. Your body keeps pumping out cortisol, which is your stress hormone, and when cortisol is elevated all the time, your body is stuck in survival mode 24/7, burning through energy just to keep you in that state. Chronic stress literally causes inflammation and changes in your brain that drain you physically, not just mentally. So you are not dramatic. Your body is exhausted from carrying something heavy for too long. So, underactive thyroid, iron deficiency, chronic stress. Three reasons you could be exhausted that have nothing to do with your bedtime. Tiredness that doesn't go away is your body waving a flag. So pay attention to it. Subscribe to Body Tea every Friday. We'll break down what's actually happening inside your body in plain English and drop a comment. Which one of these do you think might be you? See you Friday.